Welcome guys, welcome back to the Trucker John Show. Had a little bit of a break there. Got a little bit overwhelmed with all the video I was taking, so I had to cut back a little bit and get back on track here. So welcome back. Today is Thursday, June 13th, 2019, and I am in Ithaca, New York. Got to deliver here in Ithaca, and then over to Painted Post and deliver, and then we're going out to Ohio, get truck work done. Thanks for joining me. Okay guys, I'm going to show you an old tool that I haven't had to use in a long time. When you got a mechanical slider that you can't get to slide, and the handle, so it won't come out without moving the trailer around a lot. So you take this tool here, you set it in behind the handle, and then you give it a good tug, and it pushes on that handle, so that when you release the pressure off that pin, the handle will come out. So I'm looking in the mirror back there, and I'm going to pull on the trailer a little bit. Okay, that didn't release it. Now I'm going to push back a little bit, and there goes the handle. Handle popped out. And it popped out so far the tool fell on the ground. We'll go get that. Yeah, I haven't had to use this in a long time. As you can see, the tool fell on the ground here, and the handle is out. It actually locked itself in. Yeah, there's just a big spring in there. To rearm it, just push it down. Takes two hands, so I gotta hold the camera. Pretty stout spring in there. And we'll put that away. Haven't had to use that in a very long time. I don't know if I remember what it was called. The tool itself. This tube is so old that it goes in. The name of it's not on there, so I can't tell you what the name of it is. Probably don't even make these anymore. I don't know, maybe. That thing sure came in handy a lot. I used it quite a bit. Alright, so the pins are released. We can slide our tandems now. We're going to wait though, because we're going to get in the dock first, or get down towards the dock.
300 feet, turn right. Turn right.
I'm not moving. Why are you telling me to turn right? Alright guys, I just looked it up on Amazon, and they do have that tool still. Colors are a little different, but it's been a long time. So this is, I don't know if you're going to be able to see this. Let me get the brightness turned up. There we go. Okay, so this is it. It's called the Sta-Rat. Sta-Rat Semi-Tandem Axle Release Assist Tool. It's on Amazon. It's the only, I haven't really searched anymore because I don't need to buy one, but it's $105.95 on Amazon. If you have trailers you're dealing with all the time where you can't get that handle to slide, and you got nobody to help you, it's a really good handy tool to have. It makes it a lot easier. You know, I'm talking about tandems with a mechanical pull arm. It won't do anything for you with a tandem that has an air assist that won't slide. That's some kind of a problem with the trailer, because it's not made for anything like that. So if you have a old mechanical pull arm, and it's usually the arms, like even the newer arms, they have big springs on them. So They're easy to pull out, even though the pins don't come out, and there's a big spring coiled up in there, and when you release the pressure on the pins, it unlocks it. So this is more for your older trailers that didn't have the spring assist on the mechanical. Anyway, that's what it's called. It's called the Sta-Rat. Real handy tool. I've used it years ago. Used to use it all the time. All the time. If any of you guys, you've been around a long time like me, I've been on the road over 30 years, 32 years now, I guess. Yeah, it's a long time. 33 years, actually. I started, let's see, I got my license in 86, so yeah, 33 years. Wow. But anyway, if you remember years and years ago, you were always having to get help to slide them tandems. Or you were taking an hour to keep trying to move it, put a little pressure, release the pressure on the pins, and go back and see if you can pull the handle. You guys know what I'm talking about. That's been around. Okay, anyway, that's my little tool tip for the day, I guess, or something like that. Anyway, we'll talk to you later on, guys. Alright guys, we're here in Harborcreek getting fuel. We get fuel and then see if I can get a parking spot and get me a nice shower. Still gonna be, we'll be over in Wadsworth, Ohio, probably about 9:30. About 9:30, depends on how long I take in the shower. So I'm in no hurry. We're not gonna be doing any work on the truck tonight, so we're going to come in first thing in the morning and get started about 8 o'clock. Hopefully we'll be all done with everything by tomorrow night. Then I will head back to Brenningsville on early Saturday morning, pick up my load and be home by Saturday night. I've got a picnic to go to at the Flying Club on Sunday. Hopefully we make that. The weather doesn't look like it's going to be all that great, but should have a good time anyway. Alright guys, we're going to take a shower. Okay, this is shower number 5 at the TA in Harborcreek, Pennsylvania. Well guys, we are just getting into Wadsworth here, and it has been pouring. It's kind of slacked off just a little bit now, but there's a lot of water. We're less than a mile from the shop now. Okay, I'm all done for the day. I'm parked here at the shop in Wadsworth, Ohio. We're going to be here all day tomorrow getting work done on the truck. We're going to get a PM done on the truck, PM done on the Evolution, the tri-pack auxiliary power unit. Going to get the radiator flushed and filled, new coolant filter and new thermostats in the motor. We're going to get a new inline filter on the DEF fluid line. Mud flaps, yeah, getting mud flaps, new mud flap brackets, taking off the old ones here. They're kind of crappy and they make a lot of rattling noises and stuff, so we're gonna get rid of those, put new ones on. And there's a couple other little things, I believe. And of course the truck will be looked over real good by the mechanic here. He always does, looks, you know, at everything underneath, drive line, wheel seals, brakes, your suspension, steering components, all that stuff he'll check out for me, so which is a good deal. And so that's about it for the day. Hope you can come back and see me tomorrow, and I appreciate you watching me today. Hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment. Okay guys, come back and see me tomorrow. Take care now.